So here is another video of my pond. It's been more than a year, I think, since I last made a video. Not much progress here. I didn't really work on the pond, but today I decided to spread some gravel here. So let me explain what I did the last year. So here I made another stone wall, which is maybe 50-60 centimeters deep, maybe some spots maybe more, and I installed a draining pipe inside the gravel, two pipes actually going up and down, and here at the end they're connected to this pipe, which will be connected to a pump, and I will suck water through this gravel to filter it. Also, this is going to be the planting zone for some plants. I even got some plants over there. And this is one planting zone. I spent most of my time working on the photovoltaic system, and the photovoltaic system is ready. I've been using it for 6 months, maybe more, maybe 8 months. I will make another video very soon about this one. So here we have the pipes that are going down to the bottom, and then this is nothing. And here is the other planting zone. Here I have a deeper part that I'm going to plant some containers with water lilies. They need to be a little deeper in the water. And here we have some reeds. This is the other planting zone, also 50-60, maybe some places deeper. This is going to be perfect for the crabs I have, for the little fish, for the snails and other organisms. Here I also have another swirl. Here pipes that are exiting here, this pipe, also for filtering water. Maybe I will just filter it and will water my blueberries, or maybe I will just run it through the waterfall over there. Here is the beach area, still needs to be filled with water, and here we're going to have the sandy beach a little later. And here is the waterfall. Still need to make it, this waterfall, but the base is ready. Even some plants over there. And here, starting from over there, I have another bed, but just I leveled it up so I can fill all this area with water lilies. They will be in containers, and here we have some plants. They're already dead because of the winter time. Here are some of the water lilies. Here I made another small beach that is next to my house, so I can access it easier. Here are some more water lilies. And about the water tightness, this water tight seal that I made, it's performing just perfect. No water is lost, only due to evaporation in the summertime. Otherwise, most of this water is only rainwater. I put just very little from when I have some excess energy from the solar panels. I run the pump a little bit to fill the pond. Now actually that I'm ready with everything I need to do in the pond, I'm ready to fill the whole thing up and enjoy the pond. I also have to make the docks here and on the other side, but they can be done even if the pond is full. So that's it. A little update on the pond.